Hi guys, Roddy from Barberco again with you. Thanks for tuning in. And we're just very excitedly unboxing the Wahl Detailer Cordless. So the Wahl Detailer itself, the corded version, has been out for a number of years in Australia. And then some months ago, Wahl Pro released the Cordless Detailer to Australia. So we're just going to unbox and take a look. Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside. So here it is, the Wahl Cordless Detailer. Been on the market in Australia about 12 months now, sort of beginning of 2017. It came out or halfway through the year. So all the usual ingredients in a cordless trimmer, the corded or cordless option that we noticed with the Beret and the super taper cordless and the magic clip and so on. Nice feel to this trimmer, a little bit different to the T-wide Detailer, the corded version. Slightly different look. Feel is nice and light. Does have something that the corded version doesn't have, and that's an adjustable blade. Now guys, this is a very subtle difference in the blade here. It goes from close to super close. So really hard to notice the difference there, but if that's wide open, you can just see the difference from the cutting teeth to the other blade. The difference is probably, is it a mil or something, or it's very small. And then when we actually close it up, it's gone back into just hardly anything at all, hardly any gap. So it's a minute difference, the difference between the blades in terms of whether or not the lever is open or closed. But I can tell you it actually delivers a super fine finish, ideal for edging haircuts, hard part pumps, a little bit of hair art. It's a fantastic little trimmer. Yeah, I really like the cordless detailer. I think it's a great little addition to the Wahl collection. I think it's going to be quite popular in Australia. Let's see what else it comes with in the box, shall we? So, complimentary Wahl comb. Nice the way you can just sort of grip the end of the comb as you're doing a little sort of clipper over comb work. So it makes it kind of nice and comfortable to hold. Comes with a dock, so you can dock the trimmer. Let it charge up if it, between haircuts, etc. Or obviously with the connection there, you can choose to use it as a corded clipper. Just get it right there. So you can operate the trimmer as a corded trimmer should you be really busy in the shop and need to use it, or if you're happy to just let it sit in the dock for a while between haircuts, very simply place it in the dock like so, and then just power goes in the back. So nice little trimmer, the cordless detailer from Wahl. I think it's going to be quite a successful addition to the Wahl collection in Australia. I'm a fan of anything cordless as long as it stands up in a busy barbershop. The Beret stands up fantastically, so does the magic clip, so does the super taper cordless. I don't think that this is going to be any different either. Just a quick look at the other ingredients in the box. Just a couple of attachments there and a little bit of clipper roll. So that's it guys. Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to the channel for updates on what's going on in the future. Don't forget to head over to barberco.com.au for barber supplies right across Australia. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.